Today, we're going to be showing you how to connect your Force 15K to extension batteries in order to greatly expand your battery capacity. When you first receive your Force 15K, ensure the inverter of the unit is connected to its built-in battery using Ethernet and Anderson cables. This preliminary setup ensures that your Force 15K functions properly, whether or not you have extension batteries. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the Force 15K to the first extension battery. Then, run another Ethernet cable from the first extension to the next one, continuing this process for however many extensions you have. This method is called daisy chaining. Now, connect your power using the Anderson cables that come included with your battery packs. Start with the Force 15K and one battery. Then proceed from one extension battery to the next individually. It's important to connect them one at a time in this order to avoid overloading the system. Now look on the monitor on your Force 15K. Ensure the total number of batteries is now displayed, and that's it, you're good to go. Connect your battery system to your desired application and enjoy your extended power.